it's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, back with another craft demo. If you watched our videos last week, you might have seen my mandala painting video. So I'm just going to tell you an easier version of that using things you might have around the house. So all you need for this craft is paper towels. You want the paper towels that have some kind of design in the paper. Not sure if you can see this, but it has little dots in a design, which you will see. We're going to do some dot coloring with markers. So you just need paper towels with a design that's not printed, but that's like embedded in the paper towel, and markers, just two simple materials. And then you're just going to dot the markers along the design to make a symmetrical design, and you can cover the whole paper towel if you like. You can see I've already started. I do have some tips. These Sharpies tend to run, so if you have markers with more fine points, that would probably work better. If not, if you still have thick markers like Sharpies or magic markers, you just want to space your dots out a little more. So I've just made some symmetrical designs with different colors, and then I like to make the colors the same on each design so that it becomes a whole symmetrical masterpiece when you're finished. So for my horizontal design here, I have pink, green, and purple. So we're actually going to start on the inside with green, and it can be kind of hard to see when you're doing it. You might need to tilt your paper towel a little bit, but you just go over the dots. I'm not going over every single dot on the paper towel because I am using Sharpies that do run a little bit. But I'm going to go with my lavender on the next row of the design, and then I'm going to go with my pink. And this paper towel just has the same nice design repeated, so you would just go over the whole paper towel, repeating your designs, repeating your colors, and it's just a nice relaxing activity you can do if you want to do some art. Hope you guys have a great day.